Okay, good morning to everybody. Today we'll start the chapter sorts and indices. And in previous class we have discussed the preliminary concepts and some basic concepts of sorts and indices. So today we'll solve some problem by using sorts and indices. Okay, there are about 10 problems and I will solve it now. So first question is, show that 81 to the power n into 3 to the power 5 minus 3 to the power 4n minus 1 243 divided by 9 to the power twice n into 3 cube minus 4 into 3 to the power n divided by 3 to the power n plus 1 minus 3 to the power n equals to what? 4. Okay. We have to show this equals to what? This equals to 4. So now we will try to prove 81 equals to okay. This equals to can be written as 81 means what? 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 into n, and 3 to the power 5 means what? 243. Okay. 243 and 3 to the power, we can 3 to the power 4 n into 3 to the power minus 1 243 divided by this 9 can be written as what? 3 square, right? 3 square into 3 cube minus this 4 can be written as what? 4 into 3 to the power n divided by 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 1 minus 3 to the power n. Okay, this can be written as 3 to the power 4n into 243 minus 3 to the power 4n. This means what? 1 by 3. 243 by 3 means what? 81. Okay, divided by 3 to the power, what will be? 3 to the power 3 to the power twice n. This was twice n. So 3 to the power 4n. Okay, and 3 cube means what? 27. Okay, 27. 4 into 3 to the power n, but here 3 to the power n can be take common, so 3 minus 1. So this can be written as 3 to the power 4n will be common. 3 to the power 4n will be common. 243 minus 81 divided by 3 to the power 4 and 27 minus 4 divided by 3 minus 1. So this 3 to the power 4n and this 3 to the power 4n will be cut, and 3 to the power n, 3 to the power n will be cancelled. So we get 243 minus 81 equals to what? 162. 162 divided by 27 minus 4 divided by 2. This equals to 162 divided by 27 means what? 6 minus 2. This equals to 4. And this equals to what? Right hand side. Right hand side. Okay. Okay. So just we are breaking this 81 to 3 to the power 4, and 3 to the power 5 means what? 243, and this 3 to the power 4n into 3 to the power minus 1. Okay, according to the sum rule of indices. So 243 will be same, but here 243 and 243 by 3 what? 1 by 3 to the power minus 1 means what? 1 by 3. 243 by 3 means what? 81. Then 3 to the power 4n will be common, so we get only 162 divided by 27, because 3 to the power 4n and 3 to the power 4n will be cancelled. In this part, in the second part, 3 to the power n and 3 to the power n will be what? Cancelled. So very easy for you. And this is the right hand side of the first problem. Okay, now example 2. We have to prove that x to the power b to the power, divided by x to the power c into 1 by bc, x to the power c divided by x to the power a 1 by ca, x to the power a divided by x to the power b into 1 by x to the power b equals to 1. We have to prove this this equals to 1. Okay, we have to prove this. Okay, so first of all, left hand side is this. So this equals to what will be? We can write x to the power b minus c to the power what? 1 by bc, and x to the power c minus a to the power what will be? 1 by c minus a, x to the power a minus b to the power 1 by ab. So this equals to power multiplied power. So we can write b minus c divided by bc multiply x to the power c minus a divided by ca, x to the power a minus b divided by ab. Okay, because since a to the power m to the power n equals to what will be? A to the power mn. You must know the formula of indices. So x to the power, this power multiplied, multiplication. So base will be same base. So we can write b minus c divided by bc plus c minus a divided by ca plus a minus b divided by ab. And this will be whole power. So in this power we can take ABC LCM. Okay, so a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b. So this equals to, we can write ab minus ac plus bc minus ab plus ac minus bc divided by what? ABC. And this will be the power whole. So x to the power, and AB will be cancelled, SC will be cancelled, BC will be cancelled. 0 divided by ABC. So x to the power 0. X to the power 0 equals to what? 1. Since a to the power 0 equals to 1 formula. This is, this will be the result, and this is the right hand side. Right hand side. So a to the power m into a to the power n equals to what? A to the power m plus n. Just applying this formula, base same base, and taking one base, power will be this power plus this power plus this power. Okay, just taking LCM, we get 0 divided by SC. 0 divided by SC means what? Only 0. So x to the power 0 means what? 1, because a to the power 0 equals to 1. So this is the right hand side. Left hand side equals to right hand side. So example 3, x to the power 1 by a minus b into 1 by a minus c multiply x to the power b minus c into 1 by b minus a multiply x to the power c minus a to the power c minus b equals to 1. We have to show this. So this is the left hand side. Now this left hand side can be written as like this: x to the power 1 by a minus b to the power minus c minus a. Okay, c minus a multiply x to the power 1 by b minus c to the power, this can be written as minus 1 minus a minus b multiply x to the power c minus a to the power, this is 1 by minus b minus c. In cyclic order, a, b and c. Okay, so this is the cyclic order. So we have to arrange the ABC relation in cyclic order: a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, in this way. Okay, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. just arranging in this way, we can write x to the power 1 divided by minus a minus b c minus a. Okay, multiply x to the power minus a minus b b minus c, x to the power 1 divided by c minus a b minus c. Okay, now base same, this is why power will be added. 1 divided by minus a minus b c minus a plus 1 divided by minus a minus b b minus c plus 1 divided by minus, there is a minus, c minus a b minus c, and this is the whole power, remember it. So this whole power, so this can be written as, we can take LCM from here. What will be LCM? A minus b b minus c, c minus a will be the LCM. So dividing by this, we can write a b minus c, okay, plus dividing by this, we can write dividing by this, the LCM becomes what? A minus b c minus a, okay, plus this will be a minus b. So x to the power b cancels, c cancel, a cancel, so 0 divided by what will be? Minus a minus b b minus c c minus a. So 0 by something, what? 0. This equals to 1, and this is the right hand side of that question. So since a to the power 0 equals to 1, okay, now we can write this line how? Just using a to the power m into a to the power n equals to what? A to the power m plus n. Just using this formula of indices. So very easy for you. Just this equals to 1. If PQ are equals to 1, given PQR equals to what? 1. Okay, and we have to show that 1 by 1 plus P, 1 by 1 plus P plus Q to the power minus 1, Q to the power minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus Q plus R to the power minus 1 plus 1 divided by R plus P, R plus P to the power 1 plus 1 plus R plus P to the power minus 1 equals to 1. We have to prove what? Equals to 1. That means this is the left hand side. Okay, since we are given what? PQ R equals to 1, this is, we have to remember. Now this can be written as 1 divided by 1 plus P 1 by Q. Okay, Q to the power minus 1 equals to what? 1 by Q plus 1 plus Q from this side, r equals to what? PQ equals to what? PQ 1 by r. Okay. Therefore, PQ equals to r to the power minus 1. Okay. This can be written as what? PQ 1 plus 1 plus r plus 1 by p. So just taking LCM, q plus p plus 1 divided by q. 1 plus this will be PQ. 1 plus q plus PQ plus 1 divided by P will be LCM, P plus R plus 1. P plus R plus sorry, this will be PR. P plus PR plus 1. Okay. So Q divided by 1 plus Q plus PQ. 1 divided by 1 plus Q plus PQ plus this can be written as P divided by from this we can write what? PR equals to what? 1 by Q. Okay. Or so P plus PR plus 1. This equals to Q divided by 1 plus Q plus PQ. 1 divided by 1 plus Q plus PQ plus from this line we have to simplify, just multiplying Q on both numerator and denominator. So this will be PQ and this will be PQR plus Q. Okay. So Q divided by 1 plus Q plus PQ plus 1 divided by 1 plus Q plus PQ. PQ divided by PQR means what? PQR equals to given 1. So this 1 and this Q and this PQ. Okay. So all denominator are same. So just taking LCM, we get Q plus 1 plus PQ. This and this actually same. So we get 1. This is the right hand side. Very easy for you. Okay, now next example, given 2 to the power x equals to 3 to the power y equals to 12 to the power z, then we have to show that 1 by z equals to 1 by y plus 2 by x. Okay, we have to prove this condition. Let 2 to the power x equals to 3 to the power y equals to 12 to the power z equals to k. We have to consider this whole equals to a. So therefore 2 to the power x equals to what? K. So this can be written as, or so 2 equals to what? 2 equals to k to the power 1 by x. This is equation number 1. And 3 to the power y equals to what? K. So 3 equals to k to the power what will be? 1 by y. This is equation number 2. Again, 12 to the power z equals to what? Okay. Or 3 multiply 4 to the power z equals to what? Okay. Or 3 multiply 2 square z equals to what will be? K. 3 multiply 2 square means 2 to the power z equals to 3 to the power z equals to K.
স্যার পরীক্ষার কোশ্চেন কি আপনি করবেন?
3 to the power z into 3 to the power 2 to the power z equals to z equals to K. But 3 equals to here K to the power what? 1 by y into z multiply 2 equals to what? K to the power 1 by x. K to the power 1 by x to the power what will be? Twice z. And this is 1 by y. This equals to what will be? K. So after this line, K to the power z by y. Okay. By y multiply K to the power twice z by x equals to what? K. Therefore, K to the power K base same. Z to the power y plus twice z to the power x equals to K to the power 1. So base same. This is why power equals to power. Okay. So z will be common 1 by y plus 2 by x. Z will be common. This equals to 1. Therefore, 1 by y plus 2 by x equals to 1 by z. Therefore, 1 by z equals to 1 by 2 by x plus 1 by y. Proved. This is the proof.
কার উপরে যদি 1 থাকে তাহলে কি 1 হয়?
Yes. 2 to the power, this is given, this equals to k, so 2 to the power x equals to k, so 2 equals to what will be? Taking x root on both sides, so we get k to the power 1 by x. Similarly, 3 equals to what will be? K to the power 1 by y. Now, from the third one, this equals to k, and 12 can be written as 3 into 4. 3 into 4 means what? 4 means what? 2 square. 2 to the power twice z. Okay, so putting value of 3 and 2 from equation 1 and 2, we get, okay, k to the power 1 by y to the power z, k to the power 1 by x to the power twice z. But k to the power 1 by y into z, what will be? Z by y, and this will be twice z by x equals to k. K to the power, k means what? K to the power 1, same words. So there are base equals to base, so we can write power equals to power. So taking common z, we can write 1 by y plus 2 by x equals to 1. Dividing by z on both sides, we get 1 by y plus 2 by x equals to 1 by z. So 1 by z equals to 2 by x plus 1 by y. This is the required proof or should. Okay, now next example 6. Given 2 to the power x equals to 3 to the power y equals to 6 to the power z. Then you have to prove or show that 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to 0. Okay, so let us consider same as before example. 2 to the power x equals to 3 to the power y equals to 6 to the power z equals to what? Okay, so we can write 2 to the power x equals to, okay, 2 equals to what will be? K to the power 1 by x. Similarly, for the second and 3 to the power y equals to k, and 3 equals to what will be? 1 by y. Now again 6 to the power, this will be 6 to the power minus z. Sorry, this will be minus z. Okay, in this will be minus z. So 6 to the power minus z equals to k. So 6 to the power minus z equals to k, and this 6 equals to can be written as what? 3 into 2. Okay,
3 into 2.
3 into 2 to the power minus z. Okay, or 3 into 2 equals to k to the power minus 1 by z, or 3 equals to what? From equation 2, k to the power 1 by y, k to the power 1 by y, and 2 equals to what? K to the power 1 by x equals to k to the power minus 1 by z. K to the power 1 by y plus 1 by x equals to k to the power minus 1 by z. So after this line, we can write what? We can write base same. This is why you can write after this line 1 by y plus 1 by x equals to minus 1 by z. Hence 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to 0. Very easy. From the previous example, easier than previous example. Using 1 and 2 here, we get 3 equals to k to the power 1 by y. Okay, taking x root on both sides, we get equation 1, and taking y root on both sides, we get equation 2. Just putting equation 1 and 2 here, we get the base same. So if base same, power equals to power. So this is the required result. Now next example 7. Given 3 to the power x equals to 5 to the power y equals to 75 to the power z, then we have to show that xy equals to z into twice x plus y. Now let us consider 3 to the power x equals to 5 to the power y equals to 75 to the power z equals to what will be? K. So 3 to the power x equals to what will be? K. Now 3 equals to what will be? 3 to the power 3 equals to what will be? 1 by x. This is equation number 1. Similarly, 5 to the power y equals to what will be? K, and 5 equals to what? 5 equals to 1 by y. Okay, and again 75 to the power z equals to what? K. But 75 can be written as what? 3 multiply 25 to the power z equals to k, or 3 multiply this 25 means what? 5 square, this equals to k, or 3 to the power z multiply 5 to the power twice z equals to what? K. Now putting the equation, putting the values of equation from 1 and 2, 3 equals to what? K to the power 1 by x, this to the power z, multiply 5 equals to what? K to the power 1 by y, k to the power 1 by y to the power what will be? Twice z equals to k, or k to the power z by x into k to the power twice z by y equals to k. Or k will be same base, so z by x plus twice z by y equals to what? K to the power 1. So base and base equal. This is why we can write power equals to power. So power will be what? Twice x by twice z by y equals to 1. So from this line LCM what will be? Xy. So z y plus twice z x equals to 1. Therefore xy equals to what will be? Z will be common. Twice x plus y. Should. Very easy. Same example and easier than previous example. Okay. Okay, now another example. Example 8. We are given a to the power x equals to b to the power y equals to c to the power z equals to d to the power w. Then you have to show that 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by z plus 1 by w. So let us consider, let a to the power x equals to what? A to the power x equals to b to the power y equals to c to the power z equals to d to the power w equals to what will be? K. This equals to K. So let consider these all are equal to K. So a to the power x equals to, therefore a to the power x equals to what will be? K. So a equals to what will be? K to the power 1 by x. And similarly b to the power y equals to what? K. So b equals to what will be? K to the power y. Similarly c equals to what will be? K to the power 1 by z, and d equals to what will be? K to the power 1 by w. Okay, this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. So from this 4 item equal to K, we got 4 equations. So we have another condition, AB equals to CD. AB equals to, we also given AB equals to what? CD. So just putting the value of AB, A equals to what? K to the power 1 by x. B equals to what? K to the power 1 by y equals to C equals to what? K to the power 1 by z into D equals to what? K to the power 1 by w, or K to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y, and this also 1 by z plus 1 by w. Okay, so base are same. This is why you can write what? Power equals to power 1 by z plus 1 by w. This is short, very easier than previous example. Okay, just putting the values, we got the result. Very easy. Now another example 9. If x equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3, then show that x cube minus 6x equals to 6. Okay, so solution given x equals to what? 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay, taking cube on, this is not minus, this is only plus, remember it. So taking cube on both sides, that means like this, taking cube on both sides, taking cube or making cube on both sides, making cube on both sides. So x cube equals to a plus b whole cube formula, do you know? A cube plus b cube plus thrice AB into A plus B. What was the formula? A plus B whole cube equals to what? A cube plus B cube plus thrice AB into A plus B. Do you know this formula? So A plus B whole cube formula what? A cube plus B cube plus thrice AB into A plus B. So x cube equal to the power 1 by 3 whole cube A cube plus B cube plus thrice AB into A plus B. Just using this formula. Or x cube equals to 1 by 3 into 3 what? Only 1 plus 2 to the power 3 cancelled, so 2 square plus 3, and this 2 will be same base and power will be sum. So this 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 equals to what? This is equation number 1, x, okay, by 1, by equation 1 we get x. So x cube equals to 2 plus 4 plus 3 into 2 to the power 1. Taking LCM, we get only 1. So therefore, x cube plus 6 plus 36. Hence, x cube minus 6x equals to 6. Should. This is the proof. Okay, now another one, number 2 of 9. If x equals to 3 to the power 2 by 3 plus 3 to the power minus 2 by 3, then show that 9x cube minus 27x plus 82. Similarly, we can write this will be 2 by 3 and this is the minus 2 by 3. This is equation number 1. So taking cube on both sides as previous example, 2 by 3 and this is the minus 2 by 3. Okay, taking cube on both sides. So we can write this is the 2 by 3 and this is the minus 2 by 3 and this is the 2 by 3 and this is minus 2 by 3. So taking cube on both sides, A cube plus B cube plus thrice AB into A plus B. Same procedure, same example. And this will be what? 2 square. Okay. And this will be what? Minus 2 square. 3 will be cancelled because what? A to the power m into n equals to r a to the power mn. Using this formula here, we get 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So only minus 2. So 3 and this will be what? 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, what will be? 2 to the power 0, right? 2 to the power 0 and 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 by equation 1 what? X. So we get only thrice x and this will be what? 4 and this will be 1 by 4. Okay. So 4 plus 1 by 4 plus thrice x. So sorry, this will be 3 in our given. These all are 3. Remember it. This is not 2. Base are 3. Base will be 3. You are not talking. Base will be what? 3. So this will be 3 square and this will be 3 to the power minus 2 and this will be 3 to the power 0. 3 to the power 0 means what? 1. So this will be 9 and this will be what? 1 by 9. So this will be 9 and this will be 1 by 9. So x cube equals to, taking LCM, 9, 81 plus 1 plus 27x. Therefore, by cross multiplication, 9x cube equals to what? 82 plus 27x. Therefore, 9x cube minus 27x equals to 82. Showed. Okay, this is the actually proof. Very easy example using the just previous one. Okay, now another part of 9, third part. If x equals to cube root over 2 plus 1 minus cube root over 2 minus 1, then show that x cube minus thrice x equals to 2. So we are given, actually, we have to show this result. X equals to what? Cube root over 2 plus 1 minus cube root over 2 minus 1. Okay, this is equation number 1. Taking cube on both sides, x cube equals to what will be? Root over 2 plus 1. This is the cube root, minus cube root over 2 minus 1. Taking cube on both sides. Now, or what will be the result? X cube, a cube, cube root over 2 plus 1, a cube minus root over cube root over 2 minus 1 minus b cube minus thrice ab. Cube root over 2 plus 1, cube root over 2 minus 1 into what? A plus a minus b. So a minus b whole cube formula what? A cube minus b cube minus thrice ab into a minus b. Okay, just using this one. A minus b whole cube formula key what? A cube minus b cube minus thrice a b into a minus b, or x cube, cube root and cube what? Cancelled. So we get only this one. Cube root and cube will be cancelled. So 3 into, so only one cube root over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1. And this is what? From equation 1, only x by 1. By equation 1. So x cube equals to what will be? Root over 2 plus 1 minus root over 2 plus 1 minus 3. This will be cube root a square minus b square formula, only x. So x cube equals to root over 2 will be cancelled. So 3 into 2 minus 1 into x minus 3 into 1 x. Therefore, x cube what will be? This will be plus thrice x. There is a mistake. Plus thrice x equals to 2. Should. Very important example for you. Just taking cube on both sides and a cube minus b cube formula what? A minus b, a cube minus b cube minus thrice ab into a minus b. Okay. Okay. Now last example of the day of this lecture. Example 10. If x equals to 3 to the power 1 by 4 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4 and y equals to 3 to the power 1 by 4 minus 3 to the power 1 by 4, then we have to show that 3 into x square plus y square whole square equals to 64. So we are given x equals to 3 to the 1 by 4 plus 3 to the minus 1 by 4 and y equals to what? 3 to the 1 by 4 and minus 3 to the minus 1 by 4. So left hand side what will be? Left hand side will be 3 into x square plus y square whole square. Okay, this is the left hand side. Now you must know x square plus y square formula. Do you know? 3 into 2 x square plus y square formula what? X square plus y square formula what? X square plus y square 2 into x square plus y square formula what? X plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square, right? Okay. X square plus y square 2 into x square plus y square. Understand everybody? We can write 2 into x square plus y square formula what? This one. Okay. So 3 to the by 4, this can be written as x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square. This whole square. So from this, from the given x plus y equals to what? X plus y equals to what? 2 into okay, we can put whole the number 3 to the power 1 by 4 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4 plus y equals to what? 3 to the power 1 by 4 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4. This is whole square plus 3 to the power 1 by 4 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4 whole square, and third bracket or second bracket whole square. Okay. So this cut 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 4 whole square plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4 whole square.
স্যার 3 কোথায় পেলেন স্যার? এখানে তো স্যার সূত্রে 2 আছে।
3 given
sir.
x equals to 3 to the power 1 by 4 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4. Just putting these values from the given. From the given condition, we can write this one. Just putting the value of x and y. So 2 square means what? 4. And 3 to the power 1 by 4 into 2 what? 3 to the power half plus 2 square means what? 4. And 3 to the power minus half. whole square. So 3 by 4 and taking 4 common, we get what? This is root over 2 minus 1 by root over 2. Three by 4. 4 square means what? 16. And root over, taking LCM, root over 2. Root over 2 whole square means what? Minus 1. So 1 by 1 by what? 1 by root over 2. Okay, if x equals to this and y equals to this, we have to show this. So this is the given condition, and we are taking left hand side 3 into x square plus y square whole square. Okay, so 3 by 4, just taking 4 here, we are putting 2 inside the bracket. 2 into x square plus y square whole square. But we know 2 into x square plus y square formula what? X plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square. That means what? 2 into a square plus b square formula what? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Just putting this, just putting x equals to 3 to the power 1 by 4 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4 and y equals to 3 to the power 1 by 4 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4. Okay, so this and this will be cancelled, this and this will be cancelled here, and this will be this cancelled. So 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 4 and 2 into 3 to the power minus 1 by 4, 3 to the power half and 3 to the power minus half. This is root over 3 plus 1 by root over 3. So just taking 4 common, we get this one. 4 square means what? 16. So taking LCM root over 3, we get root over 3 whole square plus 1. But root over 3 whole square means what? 3 plus 1 divided by root over 3 square. So 4 square means 16 and root 3 whole square means 3. Just taking cut 3 by 12, what? We get 4. 4 multiply 16, what? 64. This is the right hand side. Hence 2 into x square plus y square whole square equals to what? 64. Should. This is the final result for you. Okay, thank you. We for this we have actually solved 10 problems. These problems I have solved today. This is the part of surd and indices. We have solved 10 examples from there. And this example, this is the last example I have proved. So if you do practice more and more, you can easily understand. Okay, thank you everybody. If you do practice more and more, you can solve these types of problem, and you can do homework from example from your chapter.
Attendance niben na?
Attendance. Okay, now take some homework for you. In previous lecture, I have given you 11, 12. Okay, and 13 will be very important for you. 13 example, 14 example. Okay, 15 example, 16 very important, 16 example. 19 example, very important. Yes, from book. 19 example and 20 example. 2021. 2021. Okay. How many examples? You
Seven,
got
sir.
how many?
7.
7 examples. This will be homework for you, and I hope everybody can do practice. Okay, thanks to everybody, and best wishes for you. Bye for today. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum. Assalam. Walaikum assalam. Walaikum assalam.
স্যার ভালো আছেন?
Okay, thanks to everybody. Bye for today. Best of luck to everybody.